Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking what I honestly think is the ultimate key to a highly lucrative career in data analytics. We're talking about the Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification. You know, if you've ever looked at the booming tech industry and thought, well, I'm locked out because I don't have a computer science degree, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's fix that.
So I have a serious question for you. Do you want a data career without coding? There is this massive misconception out there that breaking into the data and tech industry requires years of complex programming experience. But the truth? You really don't need to know a single line of Python or Java to become absolutely invaluable to an employer. You just need the right tools to translate raw numbers into a compelling story that businesses can actually understand. And that is exactly what Tableau does.
Okay, let's dive into this and walk through a really pragmatic roadmap for the next few minutes. 1. What is this certification? 2. Why get Tableau certified? 3. What is actually on the exam? 4. Your 6-step study plan. And 5. The career and salary outlook. Starting off with Section 1, what exactly is this certification?
The Tableau Desktop Specialist is an entry-level credential. Basically, what it does is prove to prospective employers that you have a solid grasp of core Tableau desktop features and professional data visualization practices. It validates your foundational ability to do 3 major things: connect to data, analyze information, and build interactive dashboards. Now, keep in mind, it explicitly does not require you to know complex server administration. It's really all about mastering the foundation.
Now, there's a common beginner myth we need to bust right off the bat. People constantly confuse Tableau with its main competitor, Microsoft Power BI. While Power BI lives comfortably inside the Microsoft ecosystem, Tableau, which was actually acquired by Salesforce, is renowned globally for its really advanced, highly customizable visualization capabilities. Knowing this distinction is going to be absolutely crucial for your future job interviews.
Moving right along to Section 2. Why get Tableau certified? Why does this specific piece of paper hold so much value in the global job market?
Well, whether you're a career switcher, a fresh graduate, or a reporting professional, this credential acts as a globally recognized stepping stone. And hey, if you are an Excel veteran who is literally tired of your spreadsheets crashing every single time you run a massive VLOOKUP, listen up. This certification is your direct bridge out of that gridlock and into the world of advanced analytics.
So, the crucial point is this exact quote, straight from the exam guidelines. No programming experience is required. Let me just hammer that home for a second. You can take raw, messy datasets and completely transform them into beautiful, executive-level insights without writing a single line of code. It's like a superpower in today's corporate environment.
Shifting gears into Section 3, what is on the exam? Let's look at the actual logistics so you know exactly what mountain you're climbing here.
The format is incredibly approachable. You've got 60 minutes to knock out roughly 45 multiple choice and multiple select questions. And the best part? It's delivered entirely online and it's remote proctored. So yes, you can earn this major industry credential sitting right at your own desk from the comfort of your own home.
And that accessibility totally extends to the costs too. The exam fee is highly accessible at about $100 plus whatever your local taxes might be. Compared to a lot of tech certifications out there that can run into the high hundreds or even thousands of dollars, this is a remarkably low barrier investment for your professional future.
Okay, so what's the goal line? Your concrete target is a passing score of approximately 750 out of a 1,000-point scale. Plus, thanks to the modern testing system, your results are usually available shortly after you hit submit. So, no agonizingly waiting around for weeks in suspense.
To hit that 750, you need to understand a very clear mini-narrative for your workflow. First, you connect. You'll need to know how to link to SQL databases or Excel files. Then, you clean. You'll prepare that data and create basic calculated fields. And finally, you build. You'll generate charts, format your dashboards, and use geographic roles to build out interactive maps.
Which brings us nicely to Section 4, your concrete, actionable 6-step study plan to guarantee you are totally ready for test day.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because you can actually complete this unified journey in just a few weeks. Step 1, start with analytics basics. Steps 2 and 3, dedicate about a month to really mastering Tableau Desktop and visualizations. Step 4, practice real projects. And finally, steps 5 and 6, review your exam objectives and run timed practice exams to simulate the real environment.
It is a highly encouraging and achievable timeline. I want to pause on Phase 4 for just a quick second because using public data sets to build hands-on projects is absolutely critical for bridging theory and practice. Building something like a hospital COVID-19 tracker or a marketing dashboard doesn't just prep you for the exam questions, it physically builds the exact portfolio you're going to slide across the table to hiring managers in your job interviews.
Let's open up our final section, Section 5, the Career and Salary Outlook. We are talking about the immense ROI of a data career here.
Earning this certification literally unlocks doors across banking, healthcare, retail, tech, you name it. Because every organization needs to transform raw data into insights, you suddenly become eligible for high-demand titles like Data Analyst, Business Intelligence Analyst, Tableau Developer, or Analytics Consultant. These skills are entirely industry agnostic.
And this brilliantly illustrates the undeniable financial value of this credential globally. To put it into perspective, in the US, baseline salaries range from $70,000 to $120,000. In Canada, $65,000 to $100,000. You're looking at £40,000 to £70,000 in the UK, with really robust figures across Germany and Australia as well. Now, actual salaries naturally vary by experience and location, but the earning potential for a certified visualization professional is incredibly strong.
Oh, and here is a fantastic final bonus. Unlike a lot of IT credentials that force you to recertify and pay annoying fees every couple of years, this entry-level certification never expires. It is a permanent addition to your resume and a really sturdy foundation if you eventually choose to pursue advanced Tableau certifications down the line.
So, having seen the massive career potential, the totally accessible path to get there, and the fact that you don't need to write a single line of code, the only thing left to figure out is your very first project. The data is out there, just waiting to be visualized. So what dashboard will you build first? Take that first step today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.
Thanks for watching.